Hi my beauties, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be the third makeup look that I recorded for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying my 5 Christmas glam days. I am so freaking excited for the next look that I'm going to be doing. So if you guys want to see how I get this look, then just stay tuned and let's get started. So we're going to start off by applying some concealer on our eyelid. This is going to be our primer. Today we're going to be using the Morphe palette. This one's one of my favorite Morphe palettes for sure. It's the 3503, just because it has all of these fire colors, as you can see. And you can create a lot of really nice looks using this palette. The transition color is going to be this one right here. Applying it all over my eyelid. I'm doing circular motion, as you guys can see. Okay, we are going to go in with our second color. It's going to be next to this glittery color. It's like this really bright red right here. I'm going to go in with a smaller brush just because I do want to focus this only on my crease. I'm just going to blend this circular motion until I have enough red and it actually blends out really nice with the first color. And this is more a dramatic makeup look. Now I am going to be blending that red on the beginning of my eyelid. I'm going to go in with the first brush, but I'm not even going to be adding any color. I'm just going to use it to blend the colors together. With a different brush, using this dark black color right here, we're gonna start blending that in the edge of our eyelid. So right here, you're gonna do a V like that. You're gonna start blending that V in. And you're gonna start building that black color to the point where you get like a smoky effect. Start blending in the red color that we first added before this color. And this is basically what you're going to keep doing. You're going to keep blending back and forth until you get like that perfect seamless blend right here. Okay, so now the next step is really important because this step is going to make your eyes go from like basic to like this. I'm going to be going in with this shimmery red glitter from JCats. Apply some lash glue on my eyelid so I can stick this shimmer on it. So this is going to get a little messy, but that's why you have your makeup remover wipe, so you can, like, you know, clean yourself as you go because this is messy. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with like a flat brush, using this serum to get the brush wet. So when I stick this brush inside my glitter, it's gonna stick to the brush with my eyelash glue, and let me apply it on my eyelid where I'm gonna be applying the glitter. I'm gonna start blending that black color with the glitter. And now I'm just gonna apply my eyeliner. Once you have this, you're basically done. I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit more glitter, just fix it up, and I'll be back. Now we're going to start off with our face. Our face is right now clear. We don't have anything in our skin. So I'm going to go in with my moisturizer, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my skin. I love using this moisturizer because my skin is really dry. This just basically keeps my skin really hydrated. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with my ColourPop All-Star Setting Spray. That will help my makeup stay in place. This can also be used as a primer. So a setting spray works like a primer. Some people just like to be extra and use setting spray and the primer like me. So meanwhile I wait for my whole skin to dry, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. eyebrow gel. I really never even had eyebrows. Like, I was just not blessed with eyebrows. So I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl color corrector concealer. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my damp beauty blender and just blend my foundation. So I already contoured and I highlighted my face. So what we're gonna be doing is just setting the face. So I'm gonna go in with my Kylie Jenner setting powder. I'm gonna put my lashes on, and yeah guys, I'll be back in a quick second. Okay guys, so I am back. This is the final look. And if you guys are wondering, my lip combination is a lip liner from Morphe. It's in the color Bite Me. It's like this really nice brown lip liner. My lipstick is from Milani in the color Lavish Sumptuous. The lip gloss that I paired this with was the one from Dominic Christine. It's in the color Peach Tea. So yeah guys, this is my lip combination. I know I didn't really record the part where I do my face foundation because it's actually the same foundation routine as my previous makeup, so I didn't want to record it because, you know, I don't want to bore you guys with that. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys stay tuned for my next glam video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications so you guys are always notified every single time I upload a brand new video. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye guys.